Welcome to BX Insights, where curiosity meets inspiration. Today we have the topic of F1 visa demographics in the US. The F1 visa is designed for students seeking full-time education in the United States. It's a non-permanent visa. It grants entry to the US solely for the purpose of education. F1 students are mandated to study full-time. They can work on campus part-time during their studies and engage in optional practical training, OPT, after completing their studies. The visa also typically allows for a grace period after the completion of studies for students to either leave the US, apply for optional practical training, OPT, or change their status to any other applicable immigrant or non-immigrant status in the US. The process of obtaining an F1 visa for studying in the United States involves several sequential steps, each with its own average time frame, intricacies, and importance. You can get a quick overview of steps involved in the process. It starts with receiving acceptance from a U.S. educational institution accredited by the Student and Exchange Visitor Program, SEVP. This step can take around 2 to 6 months, depending on application deadlines, the admission review process, and specific institution procedures. Once accepted, the school issues Form I-20, a certificate of eligibility for non-immigrant student status, which typically takes about 2 to 4 weeks post-acceptance. Before attending the visa interview, you're required to pay the SEVIS I-901 fee, which supports the administration of the Student and Exchange Visitor Information System. This fee is usually paid a few days before your scheduled interview. Completing the online non-immigrant visa application DS-160 is the subsequent step, and it involves dedicating around 1 to 2 hours of your time. After submitting the DS-160, you can schedule a visa interview at the U.S. Embassy or consulate in your home country, which generally takes place 1 to 4 weeks after DS-160 submission, considering appointment availability and demand. The actual visa interview itself usually lasts around 15 to 30 minutes depending upon the individual's circumstances, during which a consular officer evaluates your eligibility and inquires about your academic plans, financial capacity, and intentions to return to your home country. The visa decision, a pivotal point in the process, can be received either immediately after the interview or within a few days. If approved, you can travel to the US within the allowed time frame, outlined in your F1 visa's validity period. Ensuring ample time for each step is crucial to navigating the F1 visa application process effectively. If you are seeking professional help with your US visa application, it's important to research everything thoroughly and educate yourself about each step involved in the application process. It's important to not solely rely on the agency or third person who's helping you in your application. To ensure a successful F1 visa appointment, prospective students should take several crucial steps. Thoroughly prepare by reviewing application requirements and gathering necessary documents. Practice interview questions to confidently communicate study plans, financial capability, and ties to their home country. Familiarize themselves with the specific procedures of the U.S. Embassy or consulate, dress professionally, and arrive punctually. Address any concerns transparently, demonstrate strong ties to their home country, and present a clear academic and career trajectory. Stay composed, concise, and attentive during the interview to increase your chances of obtaining the F1 visa and pursuing your educational goals in the United States. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, stay curious, stay inspired.